All right, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair, working on a Corvette this morning, first wheel of the day. You can see it's got curb rash from the bottom to here and then a little bit more over here. It is fairly deep, but since this lip is pretty thick, I don't want to grind it. I want to keep this as flat as possible. So I'm going to sand the damage out first with the 150 grit, and then I'll go back over it with the 320 to get the sander marks out and get it ready for paint. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll be going on this shortly. All right, so 150 to start here. And we'll see. If this is taking too long to sand out, I will switch to the grinder. Yeah, we're going to use the grinder on this. I'll just go back over it with the 150 grit after I hit it with the grinder. There should be, in the description below, there's going to be links to the tools and products that I use and recommend for repairing rims. We're going to go ahead and use a red conditioning disc to take this damage out. All right, now we'll go back over it with the 150 grit. So this wheel, he didn't know wheel repair existed, so he was looking at replacement wheels, and this wheel alone was over 800. You know, plus tax, you're looking at over $900, and then the back one, I'm going to do that one also after this. That was over $1,000 for that replacement wheel. So this is going to save him over $1,800. All right, now I'll switch it up to the 320 grit for the final sanding. All right, I think that looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and scuff this and get it ready for paint. All right, and the paint for this is going to be Sonic Silver. Link for that is in the description below. All right, and then we finish it off with the clear coat. That little spot right there I gotta get. All right, head over to wheel number 2 next.